Hey everyone, welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on Chopcast, perfect for beginners who want to repurpose their videos efficiently. We'll cover everything from uploading videos to fine-tuning and exporting them, so let's get started. First off, ensure you have a free Chopcast account. If not, head over to the website to create one by using the link in the description. Once logged in, navigate to New and click on Upload Video. You can upload MP4 files, YouTube links, or MP3 files effortlessly. Decide if you want Chopcast to auto-generate clips, or if you prefer to create them manually. Once your video is uploaded, give it 5 to 10 minutes for Chopcast to automatically generate clips. You'll see a number indicating the auto-generated clips under each video. These clips are suggested based on keywords from your video content. You can edit the titles if needed, or proceed to export the clips in your preferred format. To edit a clip further, click on Edit. This opens the Chopcast video editor. You can adjust the start and end of the clip on the timeline to match your desired selection. This is handy for achieving specific durations or targets. In the video editor, you'll find various tools to enhance your clips further. You can add subtitles, trim the clip, adjust the volume, and more. Once you're satisfied with the edits, you can export the clip in your desired format. And that's it. With Chopcast, repurposing your videos has never been easier. So go ahead, upload your videos, generate clips effortlessly, and start creating amazing content with Chopcast today. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to click the link in the description to try Chopcast for free.